Fremont. I've been working here 2 years, kind of, sort of. I'm from Texas. Yeah, most of us are from Texas. The other guys from Louisiana. Well, we do this everywhere. We usually deliver them or we pick them up. Them guys are picking up the old ones. We're doing the new ones. And we do that everywhere, man. Yeah, you can ask the guys in the back if they want to too.
All right.
Appreciate you.
All right, thanks.
I was born in Laredo, but raised up in Austin. I just got ripped off by some Cubans, like writing a little book. I'm trying to like convert it into a whole masterpiece. Hopefully I could like draw it out, make it into a film, if not act it out. But
The record?
oh yeah. I mean, ever since I was a little kid, I've always been obsessed with art. That's why I've tried to pick up multiple forms of it. Just there's a bunch of stuff I want to do in this life. Feel to the fullest.
Yeah.
I swear to God, man, I had something good to say for you. You got me fucked up.
Hey, who's the boss over here?
How's it going?
How's it going?
Good, good.
So you want to say something about yourself?
I'm good. I'm just out here working. Trying to get this done.
All right. I mean, I'm gonna let you work.
Oh, you good?
All right.
You good. Yeah, you feel free to follow.
All right.
No problem.
I'm so fucking clumsy, bro. Money shot right here.
want to go down there?
All of them. You can see there's Arkansas, Iowa, Wisconsin, Tennessee, and I still got more.
A lot more.
Hell yeah.
Extra one?
I want to, let me see.
You know, there too.
That's gonna be dead.
Never seen kids so excited for trash.
Surprised. You're the guy, right?
Yeah, here you come. Hey, it's gonna be on
Hey, you're on
YouTube.
YouTube, man.
You can't do that, man. For a YouTube channel. What? Hold on. I'm at work, man. I don't know nothing about nothing. Yo,
just
you
in
shout out your boy.
Hey.
Yo, follow me on Instagram, Twitter. Hey,
Hey,
you gotta shoot
guess how
shout
young
out
this
there.
young boy, guess how young he is. Oh, yeah.
Oh, how old are they?
You probably like 16, 17, 18, somewhere in there.
Hell no.
Lower.
Lower?
Yeah.
What you mean lower?
You gotta go lower.
14 years old. What football team you play for? You got tickets or something? 14 years old. Hold on, man. He's 14 for real?
Hey, we're gonna be famous, bro. We're not gonna need this job no more, dog.
Put me on, you know, remember this place right here.
Don't forget Frank.
I'm with your boy Frank from Fort Worth, Texas. Holla.